Hey, Glow Squad, welcome back. It feels so good to be here with you again. A couple weeks ago, we talked and I shared my 2026 Glow Up plan, my vision to build freedom, alignment, and systems that work for me, not against me. And since that video went live, so many of you have reached out saying, Jordan, this was exactly the breath of fresh air I needed, or I've been feeling the same thing, ready for a fresh start, but in a calmer way. And honestly, y'all, that means so much to me because that's exactly what this season is about, building something real and something sustainable, and that gives you peace and progress. So, if you watched part one, I talked a lot about alignment, about how my journey started, why I stopped chasing hustle culture, and how I started designing income around my real life. Today's video is where I take you behind the curtain some, how the plan's been unfolding so far, what's working, what I've learned in this 2026 Glow Up journey. Now, before we get into systems, funnels, and all of that good stuff, let's redefine what Glow Up actually means in this season of life here for the Glow Squad. When I say Glow Up, I'm talking about not new clothes, not hair, not perfect aesthetics, but it's about the energy. It's about peace. It's about alignment. It's about waking up in the morning and saying, I like how my life feels. And glow up isn't about doing more, it's actually about doing what matters and creating a lifestyle that lets you breathe again. So for years, I thought glowing up just meant grinding harder, doing the most, more content, more hours, and more offers. But here's what I actually learned: if you burn out chasing your goals, then you'll never enjoy reaching them. So, this glow up is about slowing down strategically, creating systems that give you space, building income that flows quietly in the background. So while you live your life, you can still be earning. So let's catch up a bit. It's been a few weeks since that first video. So I've been in full on implementation mode, not perfection, just progress. So since launching my 2026 Glow Up plan, I've just been simplifying my content schedule, tightening my system IO automation, making better email subjects, and I still have my goal of 10 annual upgrades per month and just focusing on consistent growth. So I'm tracking my time, my energy, my output, and y'all, I've just been realizing that doing less has actually been getting me better results because I'm focused on the right things, the system, the seeds, the small consistent actions that are compounding over time. I used to get frustrated when a video didn't blow up right away or when my email list didn't grow overnight. But now I see that every email, every subscriber, and every post is just all a part of the glow up process. So we're building something that lasts, and that means giving it time to grow. I'm always going to keep it honest with you. And this is the middle part of the glow up. The part between starting and seeing results is where most people give up because it's not glamorous, it's not overnight, it's quiet, steady, unfiltered work. It's you in your room writing another email, it's you tweaking your funnel one more time, it's you choosing consistency over comparison. And that's the real glow up. It's not instant confidence, it's confidence built through follow through. The version of you who hits your 2026 goals isn't different from you right now. He or she is just a little more consistent, a little more disciplined, and a lot more aligned. So if you're watching this and you feel like you're still in the middle, I just want you to know that that's where the real magic begins to happen. So keep showing up, keep refining. You're building something that's worth it. All right, we got to talk business. We got to talk about the system because glow up energy isn't just about mindset, it's also about mechanics. You can have the best intentions in the world, but if you're doing everything manually, you're just going to run out of steam. The systems create peace, the system creates freedom, and systems let you breathe. For me, System IO has been a complete game changer, not because it's fancy, but because it's simple and it holds my funnels, my automations, my email list, and everything in one place.